Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete recordings from your YouTube TV library. While the DVR is unlimited, you might want to remove recordings you've already watched or no longer need to keep your library organized. Let's learn how to do it. To delete recordings from your YouTube TV library, you can do this directly within the YouTube TV app on most devices, including smart TVs, streaming sticks, mobile devices, and web browsers. Open the YouTube TV app and navigate to your library. The library section is where you can find all of your recorded content. In your library, browse or search for the show, movie, or event recording that you want to delete. Once you have found the title, select it. This will take you to the details page for that specific recording or series. On the details page, you should see an option to remove the recording from your library. This option is typically labeled Remove from Library, Delete Recording, or represented by an icon such as a trash can. Select the Remove from Library or Delete option. You will likely be asked to confirm that you want to remove the recording. Confirm your decision. The recording will then be removed from your YouTube TV library. If you are deleting a single episode from a series you have recorded, only that specific episode will be removed. If you want to stop recording an entire series and remove all past and future recordings, you'll typically go to the series details page in your library and find an option to remove series from library or stop recording. Removing an entire series will delete all episodes you have recorded for that series and prevent future episodes from being automatically recorded. Remember that since YouTube TV has unlimited DVR, deleting recordings is mainly for organization and doesn't free up storage space in the traditional sense. We hope this video helped you understand how to delete recordings from your YouTube TV library. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.